How to turn off two-factor authentication on Facebook. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing well, so let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up your Facebook application. Now tap on the three lines. Go to Settings and Privacy and tap on Settings. Now go to Account Center. Now go to Password and Security. Now tap on two-factor authentication. Now select your Facebook ID. Now tap on Text Message and disable the toggle. Now tap on Turn Off. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question, want to search the topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.